How to quickly delete all photos and videos on Android at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your gallery application on your device. As you launch the gallery option, you can simply make a long press on one of the pictures. As you do that, here you can see the option of select all. Now as select all, you'll be able to select only photos from this particular date. But since we want to delete all the photos and videos, so we're going to tap on deselect all and then tap on this option at the top right corner of the screen where it says 3 check marks. So tap on it. So this will select all the items like photos and videos on your Android at once. And then here you can simply see the option of delete. So you can just tap on delete and here it gives you a pop-up. If you really want to delete it, just tap on delete and that's how you can delete all the photos and videos on Android at once. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.